Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unlock your profile on Facebook Lite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on three dots icon. After that, tap on Unlock Profile. Next, you can see the option of Unlock. Tap on it. Then tap on Unlock Your Profile. Next, tap on OK. Then refresh your profile once. So, this is how you can unlock your profile on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.